So, hi friends. So, today we'll be going to look at how to do stock trading by buying low and selling high. Okay, so you can always see that there is a saying that you should always buy at the lower price and you should sell at the higher price, right? So, we'll be going to look at the strategy. By using that we can buy at the lower price and how we can sell at the higher price. Okay, so we'll be going to look at that. Okay, and this is for an educational purpose, so please do your own analysis before doing your real trade into by using this real money. Okay, so here you can see that buy low and sell high. Okay, so buy low and sell high strategy is where you can buy stock at the lower price and sell it at a higher price. Okay, so due to the minute price movement, so emotions become heavier in this strategy. So which means that, so if the price starts to move little bit either higher or lower, so the people's emotions will play in will comes into one place, so that they miss to buy at the lower price. Okay, so in this strategy we'll plan to buy the stock at the lower price, and if we are not able to buy at the lower price, then we can earn a small amount of money from the market as well. So let's say if you are buying to buy a stock at lower price, and if you are not able to buy, then this strategy will give you a little bit of amount as a profit for missing out that trade buying at the lower price. Okay, choose the stock which you want to buy. Okay, so let's say that you have done the fundamental analysis on Reliance, and you are planning to buy the stock for the longer term. As you can see, there is so many news coming from the Reliance based on so many investments to that company. So you think that Reliance will be the good bet for the longer term. Okay, so you are planning to buy the 500 stocks on Reliance for longer term, right? So right now the Reliance is trading at rupees 1431. Okay, so but you think that rupees 1431 at this situation means like there is so many global crisis going on, so you think that so this price is a little bit higher to buy the Reliance, and you are willing to buy the stock only at rupees 1350 rupees of Reliance at for 500 stocks, right? So let's now look into the strategy, like how to buy at a lower price. Okay, so now you want to buy the stock of Reliance at 1350, right? So you sell the 1400 PE put option of June month contract of Reliance. Okay, so which is trading at rupees 52 as of today. Okay, so now the stock is trading at 1430 level, and we are planning to sell the 1400 put option of a June month contract at rupees 52. Okay, so after selling this 1400 put option, you will be getting that 52 rupees into the 505 is the lot size of Reliance today, as of today. Okay, so you will be getting credited with that amount of 52 into 505. Okay, so at the end of the month, if Reliance moves below 1350, you can buy the 500 stocks which you have been planned to buy at 1350 for 500 stocks, right? So you can buy at 1350 rupees. Okay, so but in certain case, if the price didn't move below this 1350, you are not willing to buy the stock at 1350, means like above 1350, right? So in this case, you have sold the 1400 put option for rupees 26,000, right? So if the price didn't comes below 1400, you will be taking the entire profit of 26,000 as your profit, and if the price is not even coming below this 1350, means like we have sold this 1400 put option for the premium of 52, so we have the break even point below 1350. So if the price didn't move below 1350, anyhow you will be you will get the some packet of some amount into your packet, which is like anywhere between 26,000 to somewhere lower than that. Okay, So keep cash to buy stock at lower price. So now you can got an idea about how to buy stock at lower price, right? We are selling the put option at a lower strike price, out the money options, assuming that if the price comes to this level, we will be buying the stocks, and if the price didn't come to that level, we'll be packeting the entire premium which we sold at that particular options, right? So this strategy is named as a cash secured put. Okay, so you should have a cash to buy the stock if the stock price tends to move below your sold put. So securing your sold put with the cash is known as the cash secured put. Okay, so means like you are selling a naked put option and you will be having a backup as some cash which is to secure your sold put if your sold put got exercised at that means like if the sold put price came in the money at the time of an expiry, right? So you can buy the stock at lower price, or you can packet some money as a profit using this cash secured put strategy. Okay, so this is a simple strategy, and you means like if you are ready to buy take the stock for the delivery at the lower price, then you can go for this strategy, right? So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel. Let's learn trading, right? And also this is the part 1 of the trade for low buy and buy low and sell high. Okay, so please stay tuned to our channel so that we'll be adding the new option strategy video, so that how you can sell your options at the higher price. So let's assume that you bought a stock at the lower price. Now your aim is to sell the options at the higher strike, right? So we'll be adding one more video for that, to sell the higher stock at the higher price. So please do stay tuned to our channel, and thanks for watching once again. So please do subscribe and like and comment.